Welcome to Shop Early Black Friday of Carlisle 3690814 Commercial Mop Bucket with Side Press Wringer, 26 quart capacity. You can find want here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include: efficient mopping begins with the mop bucket. Minimize the manual labor of mopping with these high-capacity, compact mop buckets. Available in a variety of colors, the side press mop buckets eliminate unnecessary wringing and squeezing by hand, making mopping easier. Equipped with quiet non-marking swivel casters, these mop buckets are able to tackle the toughest jobs no matter the floor type. If you want to get full features and full details of Carlisle 3690814 Commercial Mop Bucket with Side Press Wringer, 26 quart capacity, please visit the link in YouTube description. And if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.